everyone, my name is Yu and today I come back with the topic mindfulness and brain. What does research and neuroscience say about the impact of mindfulness practice into our brain? First of all, I want to mention about the mindfulness practice. Nowadays, there are many methods in mindfulness to use it or apply it in psychology. They call it mindfulness psychology or modern psychology. They support the people who have a mental disorder can overcome that easily by developing higher consciousness. And mindfulness practice I want to mention here is a practice we apply the mindfulness into our life. It's not just in the meditation, mindfulness meditation, but also in our daily activity. And how to apply mindfulness in daily activity. Modern psychology or mindfulness psychology bring our mind fully at present to do any activity in our life. At the same time, we need to aware partially our breath. It is a difference between the concentrate state. When we normally walking, we just focus on walking and we forget our breath. So mindfulness I mentioned here is about partially you do the activity in your life and also partially we be aware about our breath. Psychology have some technique or method they mention in MBSR, mindfulness-based stress reduction. To help the people they have a stress, they can easily overcome that, and including tranquility meditation or mindfulness meditation. And based on the benefit or impact of mindfulness in the health of the patient or the people they join that program, some psychologists they do the research in mindfulness practice, and many research they show that when the people practice mindfulness can help them to change the structure in our brain. So it helps to increase the cortex thickness, especially in the part in front of our brain. It's called prefrontal cortex. When we increase the thickness of this part, so it helps us to easily to do some executive function in our brain, and also to help us to improve the cognitive function of our brain. And the second thing, people practice mindfulness is also to help them to regulate emotional easily, especially in stress, in anxiety, depression, or fear. Because when the people practice mindfulness, the research show that amygdala is almost sharp, deep in our brain, will reduce the size or reactivity, help them to easy to manage stress or anxiety or fear in life. And the third one is mindfulness practitioner. When they practice mindfulness, the research also show the effect in the neurotransmitter in our brain. It will increase the GABA level. And GABA takes responsibility for motor relaxation, and also it helps to enhance the serotonin production. So these hormones to support us to easy to relax, and also to have to calm our nerves. From that evidence, mindfulness is used or applied in psychology a lot to help the people reduce the stress, anxiety, depression. And also the mindfulness practice help the patient relieve their pain in chronic pain. For example, they apply mindfulness in some cancer patients. During the treatment, they practice mindfulness, and they create the program MBCR, it's mindfulness-based cancer recovery. There are many evidence show that mindfulness can help the patient reduce their pain during the treatment. Overall, mindfulness practice is really helpful. It's not just for health, but also nowadays many organizations they know about the benefit of mindfulness. So they bring the mindfulness like the culture in the organization to enhance the effective work, and also to support the people connect each other. I hope this video can help you have a more motivation to study and practice mindfulness in your life and increase the quality of life. And see you next video.